So this is my completed IPSO. I'm just going to talk through this and you can then check it against yours. You can just pause this little video at each section and then go back and have yours open too. Just check the two are the same or similar. So for the inputs, I've got the data from the CSV file, the menu choice from the main menu when the user enters that. And then this is the stuff that comes in. So these are going to be our the data that we need to use to process and do the calculations. So these will be variables. We're going to have to think of variable names for these as well. It's worth thinking about that while you're doing this. A destination code, you could join that together and make that a variable name. Type of transport, I mean, you can just convert these into variables and make them just sensible names later, but we know that's the data that's coming in, that's being inputted. The processes, so this is everything the computer's going to do. So if you went down the problem, then you'd have picked these out. So check the valid departure code, valid destination code, check that all the data has been inputted. So that's in task 6, I think, where before it does the calculation, make sure that you've actually put stuff in beforehand. So check it's not blank. Check the range, number of premium seats, make sure that it's not greater than half the capacity. So there's a calculation for that. Calculate the number of standard seats, calculate the tour cost, tax per seat, the tour cost, the income from the tour profit, and then clear all the data as well. So that's a process it does too. Okay, next part, storage. So storage, we're going to store the data from the CSV file. It's a 2D array, transport details. So that, again, 2D array could be three lists. You might want to do that. It's up to you. The departure location is these two things, but it's going to be a string. So I'll put those in capitals at the end of all of these now. Destination code would be string. Type of transport would be a string. And the number of premium seats will be an integer. Prices, and these the prices, so they're going to be floats. So they might want to put in, well, it's America, isn't it? So $3.50 or whatever it's going to be for there. Okay, the next bit is the output. It's gone on to another page. So we're going to output the menu. So that needs to be printed on the screen. We're going to output the choice of transport as well. So there's like a mini menu in there as well, wasn't there, where you output the 3 different transports and they choose one. We're going to display the destination, the full name after the code's been added. We're going to display the transport details after they've been selected. We're going to put the results of the calculations. We're also going to do, just remember, we're going to put some error messages when invalid data is inputted. So they're going to go in there as well, aren't they? So there's a few other things that are outputted, and then we're also going to have like a quit statement. Say they are quitting the code. So we were asked to put in a nice statement just before that happened. So it'll be that. Thank you for using the program. Goodbye, that kind of thing. Okay, and they're the calculations, and that's it. So that's all the output. So we've done that now. We thought about exactly what's going to happen. We can start thinking about our data types, variable names. Then we're going to look at the structure of our code. And the task we're just doing one by one. The task's been written, so it's all nicely chunked down for you for a nice sequence. So you can just crack on with that next. Okay, that's the end of that one.